always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club playing so.
Hey guys, welcome back for part 2 of my spring clean and decorate for 2022. Last week we decorated the main area, which for me is the kitchen and dining area, and today we're going to sprinkle some spring vibes over in the living room, guest bathroom, and console table. So first I'm going to tidy up the living room a bit and we're going to jump straight in.
Though it's too cold, saw your face in the crowd and I think we'll die. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend.
So we're starting off in the living room, and I didn't do much here just because I have like a mini living room makeover coming up. We're getting another side table, I have the lamp ready, we're getting another bookshelf for that empty wall, God willing, and all that, and we're also getting new curtains. For those of you guys who've been wondering like why I haven't ironed my curtains yet, it's because after I put these on when we moved in, it turns out that I didn't like them. They're too room darkening, so I am gonna switch them out for sheer ones and move those to the upstairs bedrooms. But anyway, that's why I didn't go too crazy in here. But I'm starting off with putting these pillow covers from Amazon, and I'll link them down below. But they're just striped pillow covers and I love them. For some reason they just give me like farmhousey spring vibes, and I am totally in love with them. And I think that they've made the couch look so much more cozy looking because everything was all white before. And excuse my couch in my spring cleaning. I have a big spring cleaning coming up. I'm gonna be taking out these covers and cleaning them. It's a little dingy because I have a white couch, y'all, and also it needs to be fluffed out a lot, but I feel like I need to take off the covers to do that. So that's coming up in my spring cleaning, but for right now this is what we're dealing with, so try to ignore the little bit of dinginess and the couch being not so fluffy. This lumbar pillow is from Homegoods. For this side table, I always have a plant here or some type of greenery. So for spring, I'm adding this little clear bud vase that I got from a 3-pack from the Target dollar spot, and then these sunflowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. And again, sticking with the theme, if you watch my first clean and decorate, I went with all neutral with pops of yellow like daisies and sunflowers.
I'm wearing you down to the ground. We're done for the night. I really don't care if you.
For the mantle, I'm adding these beautiful wooden pillar candle holders that I got from Marshall's. They were so inexpensive, and I had the gold ones here for Christmas and Valentine's Day, but I just felt like I wanted to add lots of wooden tones for spring to make it feel more light, airy, and just cozy. So I went ahead and did that. I tried to find them online to get a link for you guys, but I could not, so definitely try stopping by your Marshalls and seeing if you can find them. This is from the Threshold Studio McGee collection. It's a picture vase. I got it for like 15 bucks. I think it was on sale, and it's beautiful and it's exactly what I was looking for. And then I'm just sticking these daisies that I got from Amazon inside, and I had a bit of trouble, so bear with me here. But then I'm also gonna put a little wooden bunny that I got from Marshall's as well, but I did find these online, so they will be linked below.
You just need someone around. I'm holding you tight into my grip, a rebound that I found. I really don't care if you are mine. I'm just keeping you in the line. Going down this road again. I don't wanna explain myself.
So this is something that I tried out because I thought it looked a bit empty, but I ended up taking it out. But definitely let me know if you guys like it with this sign there or without.
It's keeping you down on the ground, and I don't know if it's right. I really don't care if you...
So for the guest bathroom, I did a little something just so the guests would get the spring vibes. I added this soap dispenser from the Target dollar spot because I previously had the white one with the rose gold lid on it. So for Valentine's Day, so to make it more neutral, I added this one. This ceramic bunny is from the Target dollar spot. And then again, I'm adding the clear bud vases from the Target dollar spot with some of the daisies that I took off of the bouquet. For the guest bench, I did the same thing. I took out this greenery and then I put the clear bud vase with some daisies in it, and then I just added some like fake eggs that I got from the Target dollar spot.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough.
Alright y'all, the last thing I did is add this wooden bunny to my console table upstairs, and that's gonna be it for today. I know it's a short video, but definitely let me know what you guys think below, and hit that red subscribe button if you're not already, because I have a lot of new house updates and decorating coming soon. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something